Today is Friday, December 9th. We have a lot to do. Yesterday we took a little bit of not a day off, but like we didn't paint and we weren't, you know, we would just move some stuff around in the house. So it was kind of an easier day. But today we have a lot to get done. We've been waiting for the ground to refreeze because it's been kind of warm here in North Jersey. We're going to get my hot tub from my parents' house, which we put there when we moved from our other house. Today's the perfect day because the ground, it's about 25 degrees or so. The ground is frozen, and we'll be able to get the machine, the Bobcat, up and down the hill without destroying the lawn. So we have to get at that for the first 2 hours before the ground thaws out. The machine needs a cold start. It's been sitting there since I moved, which is about 2.5 months ago or so. And then we got a couple other things. We got to pick up my air compressor, the walker mower, bring the snow blower, and just come along. Today we got a lot of different stuff to take care of.
All right, we're pulling into Johnny's yard to get our big open deck over trailer right over here, right there.
It's a Z3 37, I think. No, it's a 33 horsepower electronic fuel injection Vanguard. The same motor that's on the Skag Windstorm, but 4 horsepower less. I bought this new in the beginning of 2020, so it's almost 3 years old. I'd say it's 2.5 or so. And ever since last spring, it's been having this problem starting when it's cold out. Of course, it sounds like a race car because the exhaust is broken in both spots. One spot probably went and the other spot went. The mounts are all intact, or maybe this
you can see
it moves a little bit, but the mount is, and maybe the mount broke, but that's besides the point. Starting this is a pain in the butt. And then we have this line. I think this is a return line to the fuel tank. Where the hell does this go? It goes into this line. This line was into this line, and it's like the return filter back to the top of the tank, like a breather. And it's plugged with the piece that connected these two. They broke maybe from stepping on it in the trailer or whatever, but I don't know if that's the exact problem. I'm just asking for anyone's advice in the comments. So it won't start as easy as it used to. But anyone in the comments, if Burns Lawn Care is watching this, they're very mechanically inclined also. Just a tip of advice for us to see what is it the return line? That's why it's plugged up, it's not starting. Oil's always been changed, fuel filter's always been done, and the air filter's been always changed and clean. Throw us a comment down below on this, but you'll hear it sounds like a race car. We finished the last week of the season with this, and then we parked it because we didn't need it for fall cleanups, but see, it wants to go. This thing's a piece of started and loaded up. We said it sounds like a race car, but any help would be greatly appreciated because we reach out to YouTube as much as we can when we're trying to say, we watch YouTube on how to paint the house, like this different little tips and tricks and whatnot. But that's why we're on here, is because we can help others and hopefully others can help us with some stuff. We could do a search on the Ferris mower, but I'd rather hear from the people that watch our videos and are subscribers and supporters of our channel. It'd be great if someone just give us a tip on why is that thing such a pain to start when it's cold. But that's loaded up. We're going to get the I corrected. It's not a Bobcat, it's a New Holland skid steer. Jimmy mentioned that. I'm just used to calling it the Bobcat because that's what we had before that. But we'll get that thing going. Hopefully, it's been sitting for a while, but we'll see what happens. All right, so here we are in my parents' pool area, our parents' pool area, and here's our hot tub. I bought this when I moved into that house, which you guys remember, where all our videos were in the garage over there and in the street. We no longer have that house. We drove the hot tub with the Bobcat, or the New Holland skid steer with the forks, right down here at the end of the summertime, because we didn't think we'd be moving in to a house until next summer. So we set this all up and everything, and Jimmy's been using it. But now it's time to set it up at the new house. So we're gonna have to take the section of fence down. Believe it or not, once this is empty, the two of us were able to get this stood upright. I think we put 2 pipes down and we rolled it out, and then we drove the machine right in and got the forks under it, put a big strap around it. So we'll just take you along here. We're trying to get this done before the ground thaws out, so we don't put a lot of tracks, but we'll get going.
Here's the New Holland LS140. Like we said, it's been sitting here probably since the beginning of September, right?
No, the beginning of October.
Oh, October?
We moved it here at the end of September.
Okay, so it's been 2 months, right?
A little over 2.
Yeah. And now it's been in this same spot, untouched, not started once. We'll see what happens. We just put new glow plugs in it, what, like a year last year?
It got a new battery also.
Yeah, so.
And the relay was changed too.
Yeah, we'll see. It should, hopefully it starts.
It's all filled with leaks.
Yeah. It's been a great machine. How many hours are on it?
It doesn't even have 800 yet.
Not even 800. What are you gonna do with all that stuff in the bucket? You gonna dump that?
What's that?
There's all this brush.
Yeah, that's from, where is that from? I don't know where that even came from. Yes, we need to clean it, but we didn't have time.
Yeah, it's just been
It's
sitting.
busy this fall. The plan is gonna be dump the brush over top. We'll put the forks in the bucket and go right up the hill.
Okay.
We'll let it warm up first though. We'll do that after.
Right there. Ooh, there it is. Should just come out. There it goes. That's the plan, is to flip it up, right? Once it's empty, and then roll it out.
So I think we have to slide it.
We got to get it vertical somehow.
So we can't just leave it here and grab it with the machine here and pick it up and over?
I don't know.
Turn?
Maybe.
Just move these ones. We'll just rake this out.
You think it can pick it straight up and over?
I think so.
How much does this weigh?
It's not that much.
Empty? Like 500 pounds?
500-600 pounds?
Yeah, I can do it.
The machine can pick up 1,200. I think this, instead of turning it, why don't we try it that way?
I'd rather, yeah, let's move all those so we don't break them, right?
For the turn, we can just rake it out and put them back.
All right, sounds good.
Let's do the electricity first.
Okay. too bad. We'll rake all this out and make it look brand new. If we rake it out, it'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll rake it out before our dad gets back. That wasn't horrible.
No, it wasn't that bad. It honestly, it's not even. The mulch will rake right back.
Right,
perfect.
That's a sigh of relief. We didn't think
that was pretty cool actually.
we were trying to plan it for the ground being frozen, but it was obviously only frozen. Not bad.
No, it's not bad. Cleaned up. Couple of footprints, but it's all gonna freeze over again anyway. Wow, take a look at how we made out. We got the ATV. We got the hot tub. We also have the forks to the hot tub, which are underneath of it. We got the machine, the skid steer, all in one trip. That's a lot. We put the Ferris mower in the garage for now overnight, because tomorrow we'll be back for more. Oh, wow, that's a good amount. And then we can go back and unload. We made it back with all of this stuff.
This is a hell of a setup.
Yes, it is.
This should be all under legal limit of the towing capacity and everything. The quad's only about 500 pounds. It's in the back of the truck. The hot tub, it looks huge, but it's not that heavy when it's empty. The Bobcat's about 5,000.
And the trailer?
Trailer's about 5,000. We're probably towing 10,000 pounds.
Yeah.
I think the rating on this truck is 12 or 14,000.
I forget.
I don't know, but it pulls it with no problem. We get the trailer brakes. So,
And the airbags too. It doesn't
airbags
spot.
are filled up. It doesn't squat at all. Yeah. We were getting some head turners. People looking at what the heck is going on here.
Yeah, it's all right though. It wasn't that far of a trip anyways. But so we're just gonna unload this stuff and then that'll be it for this video, right?
That's pretty much it.
Sure enough, as soon as we end the video, something happens. The machine gets a flat tire as soon as we're ready to close out the video. It's always something. This will be continued in another video because we're gonna have to fix that obviously. So thank you guys for watching. We're gonna continue this video with the flat tire in another video. So we'll see you guys then. Thank you and subscribe and have a good day.